Let me see your hands. Put your hands up so we can help you.
Put it down. Put it down. Get on your fucking face.
Hey, put your hands out of your fucking pocket.
Get on your fucking face.
Do not fucking move. Don't fucking move. Put your hands out. Don't fucking move.
Secure the gun.
Give me 1 second.
It's underneath them.
On May 18th, 2023, in a remote desert area near Ajo, Arizona, U.S. Border Patrol agents responded to reports of gunfire. What began as a routine response quickly escalated. Within moments, agents confronted a man in an open field. Commands were shouted, weapons were drawn, and seconds later, shots were fired. This is the body camera footage from that encounter. Portions of this incident were captured on multiple body-worn cameras. The footage you are about to see was officially released by U.S. Customs and Border Protection. It documents the moments leading up to a fatal officer-involved shooting. What happened has since raised questions about perception, threat assessment, and the split-second decisions officers are forced to make. On May 18th, at approximately 9:04 p.m., Border Patrol agents in Ajo, Arizona, received a request for urgent assistance. The Tohono O'odham Nation Police Department reported shots fired west of the Menagers Dam village. Agents were instructed to first meet at the local recreation center before responding to the scene. Within minutes, the situation began to escalate. At approximately 9:06 p.m., Ajo Border Patrol Station broadcast an urgent call over the service radio. Any available units were asked to respond immediately. Several agents acknowledged the call. Moments later, a phone call came in from the Tohono O'odham Nation Police Department, formally requesting assistance from U.S. Border Patrol. What they were about to walk into was far from routine.
United States Border Patrol Tucson Sector, can I help you?
Hi, this is from TLP.
Yes, ma'am.
I have two officers heading to the village of managers, and we got a report of shots being heard. They don't, well, there's, I guess a threat made on a one-on-one from somebody she has a restraining order against. They just know he lives on the west side of the rec center. So they're asking if you have anybody that can go with them to check in the area of the west side of the rec center. They can meet at the rec center.
Meet up at the rec center, and this is in the village of managers?
Yeah, managers, yeah.
Okay.
2105.
Okay, and you said the house in question, they have a restraining order against each other, or somebody has okay.
I guess he went and reported that the ex-girlfriend was shot. Her and her mom were shot yesterday. So now the girlfriend is saying maybe it's premeditated, that since she keeps hearing shots fired and everybody keeps calling in the village, checking on her. So that's why they want, and I guess he does live in that area on the west side of the rec center. So she said he does own a rifle, and they had native contact with him yesterday, so they're going to try to check on him today, or right now, to see if that was him shooting off a gun.
Okay.
Oh, okay. But yeah, they can meet at the rec center.
Okay, but so the actual report is shots being fired, correct?
Yeah, everybody said they heard two, but nobody can pinpoint where it came from. They
okay.
All coming from the west.
Okay. All right, sounds good. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Hey, just heads up. TOPD is running code. You go.
Sir, just got off the phone with TOPD. They're requesting assistance out in the village of managers. If we have anybody available, they could assist them with a report of a shots fired call. They're wanting to know if we can respond somebody to meet up with them on the west side of the rec center, or actually meet up at the rec center. The house in question is going to be on the west side from the rec center and managers.
10-4. We got any units available to respond and meet TOPD and managers at the rec center?
The team with Scoots heading down, I think, be going.
We're in Guvo, so we'll just follow them south from here.
10-4, sounds good.
FTA is also en route.
10-4.
At approximately 9:27 p.m., agents reported over the radio that they had arrived at the recreation center. They met with a local police officer and received additional details. Initial reports indicated that shots had been fired near a residence west of their current location. The situation was still unclear. At around 9:32 p.m., the officer requested that agents follow him to the scene. Within minutes, they were on the move. The following footage was recorded by an agent wearing a body camera at the recreation center that night.
What's up, man? Anybody here familiar? No. Are you? Are y'all ready? All right. It's dark as fuck. All I can say is what?
The agents followed the officer in their vehicles for a little over 2 minutes. Around 9:35 p.m., they arrived near the residence mentioned in the initial report and parked nearby. After exiting their vehicles, both the officer and the agents spread out to locate the suspect. At approximately 9:39 p.m., they encountered an individual about 100 meters northwest of where their vehicles were parked. As the officer approached the structure, the individual suddenly threw something toward him. It landed near his feet. Authorities later confirmed it was a sheathed machete. Moments after throwing the machete, the individual quickly pulled his hand from his jacket pocket. He appeared to be holding an object and extended his arm outward. At that moment, 3 agents fired their weapons. Following the shooting, a cell phone and a phone case were visible on the ground near the individual. The following body camera footage shows the agent-involved shooting. All 3 agents who discharged their weapons recorded the incident on their body-worn cameras. This video contains graphic content and strong language. Viewer discretion is advised.
PA? Yo! See somebody just walk over here? Do you see him? Yo! Is that a PA just went over here? I don't know. Somebody over here? Motherfucker, dude. Watch out, bro, you. I thought somebody just ran this way. Pretty sure somebody ran this way. Told you. Put your hands up.
Put that down. Put it down. Put it down. Get on your fucking face.
Hey, put your hands out of your fucking pocket.
Get on your fucking face.
Ceasefire. Ceasefire.
Ceasefire.
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Shots fired. One down. Hands
up! Hands up!
Put your hands out!
Put your hands up!
Hands up.
Put your hands out right now!
All agents code 4 so far. Shots fired.
Let me see your hands up! Let me see your hands up!
Slowly, slowly, slowly. Give me a second.
Down his head!
Hey, do not fucking move.
What's the crossfire?
Don't.
Let me see your hands! Put your hands up so we can help you! Put your hands up so we can help you!
Stand by, stand by. We're about to make contact.
Hands up.
Still got a gun in his
Put your
hand.
hands up.
Spread them out!
Put your hands up.
Spread them out! Put your hands up so we can help you! Hey, somebody go back and get my med kit, please.
Put your hands out, bro. You're gonna get shot again.
Put your hands up! Come on, man! We want to help you!
Let me jump on him.
Put them out! Hey, watch the crossfire!
Do not fucking move. Don't fucking move. Put your hands out. Don't fucking move.
Secure the gun!
Give me 1 second.
It's underneath them.
Move your hand.
You get my bag?
Yo, get a med bag. Get a med bag. Hey,
Where's the firearm? Not yet. Hey, we gotta get that firearm.
hey, go get a med bag.
Hey, are they getting my med bag?
Turn him the other way.
Hey, subject in custody, roll
This
on.
is body-worn camera footage from another responding agent, showing a different angle of the shooting.
Hands up!
Hands up! Put your hands up!
Put your hands up!
Hands up.
Put your hands up right now!
All agents code 4 so far. Shots fired.
Let me see your arms out! Spread your arms out!
Slowly,
Got his
slowly,
hands up!
slowly. Give me a second.
That's it.
Still in the hand! Still in the hand! Crossfire! Fucking move! What's a crossfire? Let me see your hands! Put your hands out so we can help you! Put your hands out so we can help you!
Where's the firearm? You get firearm?
Not yet. Hey, we gotta get that firearm.
Hey, go get a med bag.
They get my med bag?
Turn him the other way.
Hey, subject in custody, roll on. Firearm?
Agents continued to assess and treat the man's injuries for approximately 2 additional minutes. They determined that he no longer had a pulse and immediately began CPR. At approximately 9:46 p.m., agents requested an air medical evacuation. However, they were informed that air transport was unavailable due to severe weather conditions. Agents continued performing CPR while a Border Patrol emergency medical technician contacted a physician at St. Mary's Hospital in Tucson, Arizona, by phone. At 10:06 p.m., the physician pronounced the man deceased. The Pima County Medical Examiner's Office later assumed custody of the body pending an autopsy. The deceased was identified as an adult male United States citizen and a member of the Tohono O'odham Nation. An autopsy was conducted on May 19th. The Medical Examiner's Office will release the official cause and manner of death upon completion of their review.
You're good. How you doing, sir? This is